If caffeine has gone from optional to necessary for you, that's not a habit issue. That is a warning sign. Most high performers don't think twice about it. Coffee in the morning, another cup mid-morning, maybe something stronger in the afternoon just to help you stay sharp. And because you're still producing, still leading, still getting results, you tell yourself everything is fine. But needing caffeine to function is not normal. It's compensation. Here's the distinction that most people miss. Using caffeine to enhance performance is one thing. Using caffeine to reach baseline, well, that's something very different entirely. When caffeine becomes a thing that makes you feel human, and when you don't feel online until it kicks in or your energy crashes without it, that tells me your internal energy systems are no longer keeping up with the life that you're asking them to support. And no amount of discipline fixes that. This shows up most often in high performers for a reason. You have spent years overriding signals, pushing through fatigue, delaying recovery, solving problems instead of slowing down. Your body adapts until it can't. So it starts leaning on external stimulation instead of internal energy production. You see, caffeine doesn't create energy. It forces output by stimulating your nervous system and stress hormones. And again, that works for a little while. But over time, the cost will show up as lower baseline energy, thinner stress tolerance, poor recovery, and a slow but definite erosion of your drive. Most people never connect those dots. And this is where things usually go wrong. High performers respond by adding more stimulation, more caffeine, stronger pre-workouts, later cutoffs. They try and energize a system that hasn't been stabilized. That's completely backwards. You don't fix an exhausted system by pushing it harder. You fix it by restoring the ability to generate energy again. And until that happens, caffeine is just borrowed energy with interest. So, if caffeine feels non-negotiable for you right now, it doesn't mean you're broken. It means your body has shifted into survival mode. It means the systems responsible for producing energy are under strain. And it means that continuing to ignore that will eventually force a reset that you didn't choose. Now, the goal isn't to quit caffeine. The goal is to make it optional again. Optional means your system is working correctly. Necessary, that means it's compensating. And that distinction matters quite a bit. And if this hit a little too close to home, that's a good thing. Awareness always comes before change. High performance isn't about pushing harder. It's about knowing when the system needs to be rebuilt so it can keep carrying the load. If you found this video useful, share it with somebody you know who's pushing hard and getting less back. Subscribe to the channel for weekly breakdowns on burnout, energy, and sustainable high performance. And if you want to start fixing this now, click the link in my description for free access to my Executive Energy Blueprint. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care.